Remove the top cover. Remove the air baffle. Remove the system fan cage assembly. Remove the I/O expansion cage. Record the cable connections on the PCIe adapter, and then disconnect all cables from the PCIe adapter if they are available, and then disconnect all cables from the PCIe adapter if connected. Rotate the I/O expansion cage so that the screw on the I/O expansion cage cover is facing up. Loosen and remove the screw on the I/O expansion cage, and lift the expansion cage cover out of the way. Remove the adapter retention screw. Grasp the PCIe adapter by its edges and carefully pull it out of the PCIe slot.